You don't just open this hood, you unsheath it. Forged from aluminum alloy and carbon fiber, the Fury Gravity hood for Jeep Wrangler JL is a bolt-on beast with a see-through glass core and dry carbon armor that breathes heat like a war machine. Its 26-kilogram frame doesn't just protect, it intimidates, channeling airflow with surgical precision while preserving your factory mounts. This isn't aftermarket, it's aftershock. And the tremor starts at $1,182. You don't hear it coming, but when it hits, bolts surrender and torque obeys. The STANLEY FATMAX is a 20-volt brushless impact wrench delivering up to 370 Newton-meters of torque and 3,100 impacts per minute. It features a 2-speed gearbox, LED work light, and two 4-amp-hour lithium-ion batteries with a fast charger. Precision and power now come boxed at 21,599 Indian rupees, roughly $259. You back up, press a button, and gravity becomes your assistant, not your enemy. The Load Myboat system lifts boats up to 16 feet long and 400 pounds using a 12-volt electric motor and marine-grade aluminum frame. It includes a wireless remote, flexible mounting hardware, and a sealed drive unit that secures your boat in under 45 seconds. Though the company doesn't list a fixed figure, verified sources place this Canadian innovation between $4,000 and $6,000. Ever seen a hitch that absorbs shock like a pro boxer and hauls like a freight train? The Gen Y Voyager uses torsion flex tech to protect your cargo from brutal bumps with a towing capacity of 7,000 pounds and tongue weights up to 1,000 pounds. It fits a 2-inch receiver and adapts to cargo carriers, bike racks, or light trailers. No rattle, no sway, just smooth control. It's not just a hitch, it's a suspension system in disguise. And the price of that kind of peace of mind is $349. When utility meets armor, you get the Centurion, an aluminum canopy built like a vault for your ute. With full-width side access, central locking on all 3 doors, and a dynamic load rating of 200 kilograms, it's engineered for Ford Ranger and VW Amarok Warriors. Its black powder-coated shell and cantilever roof rack option turn your tray into a fortress of function. And the base price for that kind of command is $8,543. What if your dog's crate was crash-tested like a race car and built like a vault? The Thule Allax is a premium aluminum dog transport crate designed for vehicle safety, with sizes from XS to XXL and features that protect your pet in motion. It's engineered for optimal airflow, visibility, and impact resistance, with a locking door and adjustable interior. This isn't a kennel, it's a mobile sanctuary for your co-pilot. And the XL version rides at $1,099. When the forest floor turns cold and uneven, the CM wide foldable camping bed unfolds into a fortress of rest. With a reinforced steel frame and a load capacity of over 660 pounds, it supports deep sleep under open skies. Its 214 by 106 cm surface offers room to stretch, while the foldable design collapses in seconds for grab-and-go freedom. All this comfort, all this strength, for just $156. The truck camping tents turn your pickup into a wilderness suite, where canvas meets steel under the stars. With waterproof PU coatings, mesh windows, and awnings that stretch like wings, they transform truck beds into weatherproof shelters. Designed for 5 to 6 foot beds, they anchor securely with straps and fit models from Ford to Toyota. The open road whispers a number. Starting from $149, the Yakima Overhaul HD truck rack isn't just a rack, it's a modular backbone for overland dreams and weekday grit. Adjustable from 19 to 30 inches high, it hauls up to 500 pounds on road and 300 off-road, with T-slots and tie-downs for total gear control. Quick change TM attachments let you mount or remove it in minutes, no tools, no drama. And the price of this rugged precision begins at $1,319. When tires spin helpless in sand or snow, the ARB Pro recovery boards bite back with engineered fury. Made in Australia with dual composite construction, they grip with glass-filled nylon teeth and a contoured ramp shaped by real 4x4 tire data. They flex under pressure, resist wheel spin damage, and stack neatly for fast deployment. The cost of clawing your way out of nowhere is $359. The Gentex dimmable glass system bends light to your will with electrochromic chemistry and automotive precision. It darkens in milliseconds, reducing glare and enhancing contrast for head-up displays, moonroofs, and privacy panels. This isn't just a mirror, it's adaptive vision, tuned by sensors and algorithms to match your environment. But this is OEM tech, not retail. Its value lies in the vehicles it transforms, not a price tag on a shelf. Night turns to daylight with a flick of the switch. These are not your average beams. The Hardkorr BZR X Series LED driving lights throw 1 lux of light over 1,460 meters with 34,000 lumens of raw intensity. Built for narrow bull bars and brutal terrain, they come with a full wiring harness and a 3-year warranty. The road ahead begins at $599 even, and when the trail disappears, your vision won't. Silence isn't just golden, it's engineered into the Cityimons Endo Hitch trailer hitch. With anti-rattle tech and a 2-inch drop, it eliminates sway while a built-in lock deters theft without tools. Rated for £7,500, it's a hitch that disappears into the drive, not your ears. And for that kind of piece, the price is $99. It's not just what you tow, it's how you carry it. The DumperDogg hydraulic dump insert turns any 3/4-ton pickup into a full-fledged dump truck with the push of a button. Built from 12-gauge steel and designed to fit standard 8-foot beds, it hauls up to 6,000 pounds or 3 cubic yards of gravel, mulch, or debris. Its power-up, gravity-down hydraulic system lifts loads effortlessly, while integrated tarp hooks and tailgate chains keep everything secure. This industrial-grade transformation comes in at $3,896,